Imagine a world without electricity. No lights, no computers, no phones, a world plunged into silence. Yet, in this silent world, machines move, automations come to life, powered not by circuits and code, but by water, weights, and pure mechanical genius. This isn't science fiction. This was our world, nearly 1,000 years ago, a time when intricate devices performed complex tasks, entertained royalty, and measured the passage of time with astonishing precision. Welcome to an age of automation long before the modern era, a time when machines seem to possess a life of their own. It raises a profound question. In a world without the technology we take for granted, who was the mind behind these marvels? Who was the visionary who dreamt of robots and automated systems centuries before they became a reality? And more mysteriously, why has his name, a name that should be celebrated alongside the greatest inventors in history, been largely forgotten by the modern world? The answer lies in the 12th century, during a remarkable period known as the Islamic Golden Age. This was an era of unprecedented scientific discovery, artistic flourishing, and intellectual curiosity. And at the very heart of it, in a place called Diyarbakir in modern-day Turkey, lived a man named Ismail Al-Jazari. Al-Jazari wasn't just a thinker. He was a master craftsman, a brilliant polymath, and the chief engineer for the Artukid dynasty, serving in the royal palace. In his time, engineering wasn't a luxury, it was a fundamental necessity. In a region where controlling water was the key to life, engineers were revered. They were the ones who designed irrigation systems to make the desert bloom, built fortifications to protect cities, and created tools that improved daily life for everyone. Al-Jazari's role placed him at the center of this world, with the resources and the royal mandate to push the boundaries of what was considered possible. His patron, the king, didn't just want functional machines. He wanted wonders. He challenged Al-Jazari to create devices that would not only serve a purpose, but also inspire awe and delight in all who saw them. It was a challenge Al-Jazari met with unparalleled creativity and skill. He documented his life's work in a magnificent manuscript titled The Book of Knowledge of Ingenious Mechanical Devices. This book wasn't just a collection of ideas. It was a detailed, practical instruction manual filled with over 100 designs and illustrated with vibrant, intricate diagrams. It was a guide for future generations, a testament to his belief that knowledge should be shared. This book is our window into his mind, revealing a genius who was far, far ahead of his time. One of his most famous creations was the elephant clock. This was no ordinary timepiece. It was a colossal, multicultural marvel, standing several meters tall. A majestic elephant formed its base, with an Indian driver on its neck and a phoenix, a symbol from ancient Egypt, perched at the very top. Inside this grand structure, a complex series of gears, weights, and water-powered mechanisms worked in perfect harmony. Every half hour, the clock would spring to life in a symphony of movement. The driver would strike a cymbal, the phoenix would spin, and robotic figures would emerge to mark the time. The elephant clock wasn't just about telling time. It was a celebration of global knowledge, combining symbols from different cultures to represent the vastness of the empire and the reach of human ingenuity. Al-Jazari's genius extended beyond grand clocks. He designed automated servants that could pour drinks and wash hands. Imagine attending a royal banquet where a beautiful automaton, elegantly dressed, approaches you. It holds a basin in one hand and a pitcher in the other. When you lift the pitcher, it automatically pours water into the basin. When you're done, it lowers the pitcher and offers you a towel held by another robotic arm. This wasn't magic. It was a sophisticated system of float valves and siphons, cleverly hidden within the machine's body. He also created self-moving peacocks that would fin out their tails and fountains that changed their spray patterns automatically, all powered by the simple, elegant flow of water. These creations weren't just toys for the rich. They were demonstrations of fundamental engineering principles. They showcased his mastery of fluid dynamics, feedback control, and automation. Each invention was a puzzle, a beautiful assembly of cams, shafts, and gears that brought inanimate objects to life. Al-Jazari was, in essence, building the world's first programmable robots, but the clocks and automated servants, as astonishing as they were just the beginning. Al-Jazari's true legacy lies in the fundamental components he perfected, the very building blocks of modern machinery. He was one of the first to describe and document critical mechanisms like the crankshaft, a device that converts rotary motion into linear motion. Today, the crankshaft is at the heart of nearly every internal combustion engine, from your car to a massive cargo ship. He refined valve systems, developed early camshafts, and used segmental gears to create intermittent motion, all concepts that would become indispensable during the Industrial Revolution hundreds of years later. He wasn't just building one-off curiosities. He was creating a language of mechanics, a universal toolkit for engineers that would transcend time and culture. His work laid the groundwork for everything from steam engines to modern robotics. He understood that to build the future, you first had to invent its components. Each gear, each lever, each valve he designed was a stepping stone toward a new technological age. But what Al-Jazari invented next was not just an improvement on an old idea. It was a revolutionary concept that would change the very course of engineering, a machine so foundational that its principles are still used in pumps and engines all over the world today. This single invention contained a combination of mechanisms that had never been seen before, and it would prove to be one of the most important engineering breakthroughs of the Middle Ages. The full story of this game-changing device and how it shaped our modern world is coming in part 2. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next chapter in the story of Al-Jazari, the forgotten genius who built the future. Thanks for watching.